Okay, my country people, story. The story wey dey reach us today be say this woman don talk say ever since wey her husband die, leave her with 4 children. Say everybody from the husband family come sell everything wey dey the house, no even give her anything make she take care of this her 4 children. So one day dem come decide say anyhow wey e be, make dem just show love to the woman small, make she carry take care of this her 4 children. Out of the 4 children, dem come give her 20,000 naira each for the children. So na 80,000 naira the some come give the woman. Come tell her say make she use that one take care of her children. The woman come say no problem, anyhow wey e be, say she go try the way she fit try. But as me and you dey talk today now, so the woman now don train her children and all of them don reach university, and some of them don finish sef. E remain one wey be the last born wey still dey for university. But something come dey happen now wey come make the aunties of her husband, her late husband, come dey call the children say make them come o, say dem do them bad thing, say they wan confess. But the children say they no dey dress near that place. Say anybody wey wan confess, make e confess to anybody wey wan confess. Say e no concern them. Say they don finish with their papa matter and they no wan hear anything about them again. So you wey dey hear me now like this, wetin you think say those children for do? Shebi make them go hear the confession or try to forgive the people, or make them dey with their mama wey don suffer for them since how many years wey their papa die, when they still dey primary school na their papa die. Now they don't finish university, then person come dey tell you now say come, I won't confess. And the children they don't gree, they not say they know they go there. Not only the last born wey still dey university, we get that heart, na him talk say he no go fit day without going to see him auntie. Say he go go meet the auntie, make him hear wetin the auntie wan talk. Say if na forgive, he go forgive am. But the others they not refuse, say they no go go. And the mama don't threaten and say if he go that place, say she go disown am. Abeg, wetin you think say these children for do? Shey make them go or make them no go? Abeg, make we fill am for the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and abeg make you share this matter like this. Oya na.